Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is GBPUSD. I'm about to do a video on my views on GBPUSD for this upcoming week. Okay, so as I've stated before, we start on our daily time frame and then we look for our support and resistance lines. So start with the highest point and then I'll draw my support here. So we're trying to focus on where price is currently at. Okay, and then we're gonna mark our next support and resistance line, then the next one, and the next one, and the next one. So what you're trying to establish here is your support and resistance levels to see where price is at. So you know when price is closer to support, it's likely to go up. To resistance, when it's close to resistance, it's likely to go up. It's likely to go down to support. So as you can see here, the market has firmly closed above the previous resistance level. Okay, so now based on this daily time frame, you can expect GBPUSD to move from where it's at and go all the way up to 1.38842. Okay, so we're done with our daily time frame. So then we move down to our 4-hour time frame. So on our 4-hour time frame, what we're trying to identify is the direction of the trend. Okay, so as we can see, the previous trend, which was a downtrend, has ended. Okay, so it has ended because there was a breakout above this falling trend line. Okay, so now what do we have? We have a low here, and then we have a higher low. So what that means is that your next low is higher than the previous one. We also have another higher low here, and most likely another low that just formed here. Another low that just formed here. So we have higher lows, which are characteristics of an uptrend. And then we also have higher highs. We have a high here, and we're anticipating for another high to form at the next resistance level. Sorry about that. So we have concluded that on our 4-hour time frame we are seeing an upward trend. Okay, so based on the daily time frame, we have market that closed above the previous resistance level. So you know, after a previous resistance level is broken, to be retested as the new support, and then there will be a continuation. If you are not sure about the properties of a breakout, you should check out the previous video that I posted on breakouts. Okay, so both daily time frame and 4-hour time frames are agreeing to an upward movement. Okay, so then when will we take our entry? So now we go to our 1-hour time frame. So on our 1-hour time frame, we will have a line opposite the direction of the trend, like this. So as it is, a breakout has happened here on the 1-hour time frame and a pullback. So this would have been a false break. So now based on everything that we've seen so far from the daily H4 and now the H1, we can conclude that we are seeing GBPUSD continuing with its upward movement. Then where is it gonna go? So based on what we are seeing, GBPUSD is gonna go all the way up there firstly, and then we can have our stop loss at this previous low. So guys, these are the levels that we have. So this is going to be our stop loss. Why is it our stop loss? Because it is the previous low, and in an uptrend, chances are it will continue to form higher lows, so it won't break this previous low. So we can have something like this, have our buy on GBP USD, then our stop loss at this level, then as you can see, we have a risk reward ratio of 3.85, and the minimum risk reward ratio that we use is 1:3. So this is good risk. So on a $100 account, you are risking $10 to make 30. On bigger accounts, you are risking, let's say, $100 to make $300. So that's a good risk reward ratio. Okay, so that's my conclusion on GBPUSD for this upcoming week. Then this trade will only be invalid if we get a close below this previous low. So if the market moves from where it's at now and closes below 1.37499, then this trade will be invalid. But if the current market structure continues, then we will have great buying opportunities. Okay, so you can also wait for it to close above this falling resistant level. So if it closes above and then comes back to retest, then it's a safe buy. Then we're gonna take our profits all the way up there. Hope that was helpful. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. You can share this with as much people as possible. I appreciate the feedback that I'm getting from all my videos.